Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Just a quick update on the Sydney Metro Western Sydney Airport update here for my loyal viewers. I'm got a bit of overview of what was the old Station Plaza where it once stood, and just in front of here where the bus terminal was, which is currently temporarily relocated just over there. If you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Just a quick overview of the latest underfilments here at St Mary's. There is absolutely virtually nothing left at the old Station Plaza site. You can see as far as Phillip Street, so I am going, there's not much for me to film here, just going to quickly head back to my car. Got a whole view of the entire neighbourhood. You can stretch in perfect bird's eye view of the Blue Mountains looking west. So just walking back into the lift. So anyway viewers, just gonna go for a lift back downstairs. That's a quick overview of our St Mary's Freight Hub, just west from here. So on that note viewers, it's time to wrap up the video. Apologies for the video, it's been so short. Just going to show you guys the latest underfilm. It's absolutely nothing but a huge pile of dirt. So I'm going to wrap up the video. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.